Hello. Washing my hair.
Why you washing your hair?
Because I need to. What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Here we are with another voiceover. Y'all, can you believe this will be my last video for the year 2020? I'm so excited to see what 2021 has in store for your girl. So we're gonna start with this crusty, dry, 4 or 5 day old wash and go that I really wasn't too happy with. That's why I'd never posted the products that I used for this wash and go because it sucked. But we are going to end this year with the new Wash Day Delight collection from Carol's daughter. Carol's daughter just came out with a new Wash Day Delight conditioner, and it is a jelly to cream conditioner. It says that it is supposed to cut your detangling in half. I will be the judge of that. We're gonna hop in the shower and start rinsing out all of these products, but the steam just wasn't letting your girl be great. So, like I said, I'm going to rinse out these products and we're just going to jump right in. So, I'll just start by squeezing some of this rose water shampoo onto my scalp. And I love how the tip of the bottle is pointed, so I can just apply the shampoo directly to my scalp and it'll just run through, and it makes it so easy. So I do think I went a little overboard with the shampoo because, as you'll see, it lathers up so good. It is a gentle lather, but it got my hair super clean. I had so much gel and just products in my hair, so it really did get all of those oils and dirt and gel, everything out of my hair, and it left my hair feeling really good. It does say that it gives you a deep clean without stripping. I don't think it necessarily stripped my hair of all the oils, but my hair was a little dry after I rinsed it out, which it's not horrible because my hair didn't feel hard. You know, sometimes if you use a shampoo and it just strips everything out of your hair, it'll leave your strands feeling like stringy and almost like a Brillo pad, and I don't like that. So this didn't do that to my hair, but I do feel like it got rid of all that extra gel, dirt, and just things that I didn't want in my hair. So next, I'm going to go in with the new Wash Day Delight Conditioner. And like I said, this is the Dream Detangler Jelly to Cream Conditioner. And this formula basically is a thick jelly that transforms into a nourishing cream, and it moisturizes your hair. I will say that Detangling my hair with this was super easy, and I actually finger detangled my entire head, and as you'll see, I had very little shedding. So I really have no complaints about this conditioner at all. I would definitely be using it a lot more often in the future, especially on days like today where my hair is, I feel like, super tangled and I just need something that's going to melt those tangles away. This will definitely be one of my go-to products for that, because my fingers literally just glided through my entire head. So the jelly to cream formula is blended with glycerin, and it's supposed to lock in all of that moisture, and the rose water that's in it is really good for leaving your hair soft, hydrated, and shiny. So this is a moisturizing conditioner for curly natural hair, and has a tangle melting technology that easily spreads through hair, providing perfect slip so curls glide past each other, minimizing tangles and untying knots. I give this product a 10 out of 10. It definitely does what it says it is supposed to do, and it made detangling my hair so easy. And honestly, I think I would finger detangle my hair a lot more often with using this product. So after I detangled my entire head, I just want to show you that my fingers glide through my entire head so easily. And sometimes, even when I do detangle my hair, when I go back, it will kind of tangle up just a little bit, not a whole lot, but my hair literally has never detangled this easily. Like, I'm telling y'all, this the one, friend. This is the one. So if you don't get nothing else that I reviewed on my channel, go get this. And then, did I mention that this jar is 20 ounces? 20 ounces. This is 20 ounces of conditioner. And I don't know about y'all, but I go through conditioner like nobody's business. So this is a dream come true. It is literally the dream detangler. So y'all need to go ahead and grab this. This video is not sponsored. I bought these with my own money. So friend, go grab it. So after I applied this all over my head, I'm just going to rinse it out. I applied my leave-in conditioner while I was in the shower, and I just applied my conditioning cap, and then I went to go style my hair, and that is it. So like I said, I give this product a 10 out of 10. It definitely does everything that it says that it is supposed to do. So y'all go out and grab this if you haven't already. That is going to be the end of this video and the last video of 2020. Thank y'all for rocking with the Royelle Fam this year. I'm super excited about everything that we're going to be doing next year. And if you haven't already, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Click the link in my bio. Click the link in the description box below, and that will take you to my Instagram. And let's be friends on the gram. And that's it, y'all. Happy New Year. I hope y'all had a Merry Christmas, and I will see y'all in 2021. Bye.